python-decorators not taking the value from constant past. Report.py. Timestamp checker function. This function checks if the user have set the t arguments. If it is set, I have defined one constant called cons display result to true. The function is working great and turning the constant value to true. But in the main function, I have implemented this decorators, which is not taking the true value but false. Timer.py. I have decorated some method in main, method of report.py with the decorators above. For example, this is the class being used in report.py and being decorated with above decorators. Here I have passed the constant value to the argument decorator, which when tested though before called is converted to true is taking false and thus the decorators not being implemented. Where is the problem can't figure out.
You didn't post a complete minimal verifiable example, so there might be something else too. But if your point is that when calling nutAccounted report, .make nutAccountable report, you don't get your time taken printed, then it's really not a surprise. The benchmarking decorator is applied when the function is defined, when the module is imported. Well before the if __name__ is equal to __main__ clause is executed, so at that time cons.display_time_stamp has not been updated by your command. Line args. If you want a runtime flag to deactivate your decorator's behavior, the obvious solution is to check cons.display_time_stamp within the decorator instead of passing it as argument, i.e.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.